Alright, what is up YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Today we'll be racing a twin turbo Gen 1. Honestly, I don't know why I'm racing this thing. It's just a little argument turned into a race, so I guess we're just gonna do the race. No beef here, just, you know, a little back-to-back argument on Facebook, you know. It happens, you know, so we're just gonna go out there and see what this car does. Right now we're headed into Mexico, so that's exactly where we're gonna be at. And yeah, we're actually gonna see how my car actually does versus a twin turbo 5.0. It's a Gen 1. Not sure on what year it is. It has a rear drag setup. I'm pretty sure it's on low boost. And yeah, I'm finna meet up with my boy Pat right now and cross over to Mexico really quick. What are your actual thoughts on this race, bro?
I think that if the boost is turned up to anything 10 plus, we're about to get walked.
We're about to get walked, like, exactly.
Real talk, for real.
But if he keeps it under, like, under 10, I say 7 or 8, it should be a really good run.
I think it will be, yeah.
So,
I mean, look what you did with that Camaro the other day.
Exactly.
And look at, you know, the video that he posted. So I think, I don't know.
Yeah, we're gonna see right now. Let's go. This is the Gen 1. It's an MT82 core, but it got them bad boys in there. Yes, sir. We finna see how my car does against it. I'm pretty sure it should walk away from me, no problem. But we'll see what rolls he wants to do. Twin turbo Gen 1 on 7 pounds of boost, full weight passenger. We probably got him maybe by like a fender, I'd say, but honestly it was a good run. His car was acting up a little bit, but nonetheless it was good runs. Did you get to run anybody?
I did. I ran the V, got gapped, got my ass in.
Got gapped.
Well, I came out here, gapped everybody, just wasting my gas.
Damn. Alright guys, so right now I'm actually about to drop the car off at HPU just because the car isn't running right. Well, I mean, it has, you know, but it's running right, but it has more juice in it. So I'm just gonna go drop it off, make sure everything's dialed in and stuff like that. But yeah, right. Yeah, I asked for it, so here it is. I'm gonna bring the Camaro on the page. So right now we are driving the Camaro SS, boys. You know, the Dealio. I like these cars, you know what I'm saying? I like these cars. It's just I decided to get the 10-speed Mustang. This is a 10-speed Camaro. I just think the 10-speed Mustang hits a lot harder. But yeah, I like these cars, you know. You know, with the gap cam, you know what I'm saying? All of that good stuff. Man, this is my pop's car, bro. This is actually my dad's car. It only has a axle back, exhaust, and lip, and that's about it. I'm trying to get him to get some headers. You know, oh yeah, and it has an intake, so get him some headers and get him lined up with that HPU sauce. You know what I'm saying? But right now, actually, we're actually on the way to go pay some tickets off over here in Waller County. You know, on the way to Mexico, sometimes you get caught up by these cops speeding a little something, you know what I'm saying? So that's what you try to go do, is go pay them tickets off. So that's what we're finna go do right now. And yeah, so let me hit you guys up when I get closer over there. What's up? You finna swap my plugs out? You have to swap my plugs out, bro.
Only if you got the sticker.
I got the sticker.
Let's go confirm.
Let's go. All right, guys. So right now they just changed the spark plugs, making sure those are good. They didn't look that bad, but they did look a little worn. So that's what they're gonna do right now. So right now we're just trying to get the cars ready to go and make sure that the car's pretty good. And yeah, so actually I think we should be taking it home today, and we shall see right now. Well, guys, that will be the end of this video. Let this car pass by real quick. But that will be the end of this video. Something really kind of happened with this car, so we'll actually talk about that in the next video. But sucks to say, you know, I'm not sure how long I'll be able to have this car from now, just because of what happened to it. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And 1700 Tito will catch you in the next video.